Discovering joy after work. Exploring retirement hobbies. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's relevant to learners and dreamers of all ages: retirement hobbies. Whether you're planning ahead or seeking inspiration for someone you know, understanding this concept can add a spark of joy to the golden years. Let's embark on this journey together and explore how hobbies can transform the retirement experience. Retirement hobbies refer to activities or interests that individuals engage in during their retirement years. These hobbies are more than just ways to pass time. They're opportunities for personal growth, exploration, and joy. Retirement marks a significant transition from a structured work life to a period where time is your own, and hobbies become a key part of this new chapter. They can range from leisurely pursuits like gardening and painting to more dynamic activities such as traveling, learning new languages, or volunteering. In retirement, hobbies play a crucial role in maintaining physical health, mental well-being, and social connections. Engaging in hobbies can help retirees stay physically active, which is essential for overall health, keep the mind sharp and engaged, potentially delaying cognitive decline, meet new people and maintain social interactions, reducing feelings of loneliness or isolation. Hobbies provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment that can sometimes be lost after leaving the workforce. Finding the right hobby in retirement is about exploring personal interests and perhaps rediscovering past passions that there wasn't enough time for before. Here are a few tips to get started. Reflect on what you love doing. What activities make you lose track of time? Experiment with different hobbies. Join clubs or take classes to dip your toes in new experiences. Consider your physical ability and any limitations to ensure the hobby is enjoyable and sustainable. Connect with others who share similar interests. This can enhance your hobby experience and build new friendships. To spark some inspiration, here are a few popular retirement hobbies. Gardening. Cultivating a garden can bring immense satisfaction and beauty to your life. Traveling. Exploring new cultures and destinations can be thrilling and enriching. Arts and crafts. Activities like painting, knitting, or woodworking can unleash creativity. Volunteering. Giving back to the community can be fulfilling and meaningful. Learning. Picking up a new skill or subject keeps the mind active and engaged. Retirement is not just an end to a career but a doorway to new opportunities and adventures. Hobbies play a pivotal role in making this phase of life vibrant, fulfilling, and joyful. We hope this video has inspired you to think about how you or your loved ones can enrich retirement with hobbies. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start exploring what brings you joy. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.